up's a dangerous game. When the day started, I'm feeling great. My baby calls me cowboy, I hesitate. No, I settle up and then right away, hightailing it back to East LA.